What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. We're still searching for a social media coordinator here at Stealthy Wood, so today I'm going to show you 5 different ways of recording applicant info in Odoo. Some internal, some external. Alright, let's start with the most tedious methods where I have to do more work. Instead of applying on the company website, a candidate emailed me directly. Sometimes that happens even though the instructions on how to apply are super clear. Luckily, I can add the applicant myself through the main recruitment dashboard. To start, I'm just going to click on the 3 dots on the social media coordinator card, followed by clicking on application here in the new column. In the candidate field, I'm just going to type in Bethany Van Tor. And I'm going to click create. Next, I can add her resume by scrolling down to the chatter and then clicking on the paperclip icon to attach a file. Now, I'm just going to fill out their contact information. If I scroll back up in the email section, we can just put beth@example.com. And then we'll also type in their phone number, which is all nines. Then we can go ahead and paste in their LinkedIn profile. And for the job position and recruiter fields here on the right, they're automatically filled in because that's how we configure this job position. Next, we can add some tags, and this is a marketing role, so I'm going to add the marketing tag. And then after looking at the resume and seeing that their experience is relevant to what we're looking for, I'm going to move them to the initial qualification stage by clicking initial qualification here at the top. And since I've pre-screened the candidate, I'm going to add Anita Oliver, the marketing manager, to the interviewers field. Adding her means that she'll be a part of the interview process. She'll see the candidates and even refuse them if she thinks they're not a good fit. All right, let's look at how this looks like in the Kanban view. And to view that, we just got to click the job positions breadcrumb. Then we'll click on the 2 new applications button here on the social media coordinator job card. And nice, we have Bethany's name right here in the initial qualification stage. All right, I can also add an applicant from this view, and you guessed it, I had another person email me their application. From here, I'm just going to click the plus sign here in the new stage, and then another candidate card appears. All I need to do is fill out their name and then click add. Now let's take a look at a more typical scenario when someone applies from our website. Let's go back to the main recruitment dashboard. And we're going to take a look at our online posting for our social media coordinator role. And to do that, I'm just going to click the job page link here in the lower right-hand corner of the job position card. This page shows me what our candidates see directly on our website. Here, candidates can either click apply at the top of the page or scroll to the very bottom and click apply here as well. So let's go ahead and click apply and see what our candidates have to do in order to apply for a job.
So in this scenario, I'm going to play John Lewis, J-dubs for my acronym lovers, who is applying for this job. So on this application form, I just have a few fields to fill out. So in your name field, what do I say I am? John Lewis. There we go. My email is not that. It's this. It's very real. So don't do anything, YouTube. Phone number, once again, very fake phone number for YouTube. Okay, then we reach a point right here where it says we need to input our resume. So we're going to select our file, John Lewis resume, right there immediately. Now last, if I want to add an introduction, I could enter it here, like, I'm ready to go any day. Hard working man. Very simple. And that's it. I click, I'm feeling lucky. And off it goes into our applicant pool. So here, I also have a landing page that tells me that my application has been submitted successfully. And I can see here who is going to contact me if I'd like to, talk about my application. Looks like the CEO is going to be contacting me. Isn't that nice?
All right, so what about the other ways people find our job? We also post our open positions on job boards like LinkedIn and Indeed. Let's take a look on how a job board posting integrates with Odoo. So we posted our social media coordinator role on monster.com. Here's the job listing. The applicant just clicks apply and follows the instructions on the website. So let's take a look at Terry Talker's application. I see her contact information here at the top, and at the bottom, we can also see her resume. And if we open up the details tab in the sourcing section, I can see that she applied through monster.com. And if I look at the medium field, I can see that she applied via email. Basically, that means that she sent us an email through monster.com to apply for this position. All right, there's one more way to apply though. Good old-fashioned email. In a previous video, we designated a specific email alias to automatically create applications for this job position when emailed with a resume. So let's see that in action. Okay, in my email, I'll enter that specific email alias in the recipients field. Then I'll go ahead and fill out the subject field, and I'll just put something like job application, even though we don't need to. And last, I'm just going to attach my resume, or should I say Cheryl's resume. And then lastly, we just got to click send. Back in Odoo, let's see if all the applications from other sites and emails were recorded properly. Great. When we scroll down, we can see that John Lewis, who applied through the company website, is here. We also have Terry Talker, who applied through monster.com. And we have me, who applied with Cheryl's resume through the email alias. All right, now I have to start reviewing all these new applicants and see who has what it takes to become our new social media coordinator. And that's it for this recruitment video. We learned how to add applicants to our database, website, job boards, and email. With so many ways to apply for a job, Odoo makes it easy for applicants to get their resumes into the recruiter's hands. Check out our other recruitment tutorials where we dive into customized interview forms, hiring candidates, recruitment reporting, and a lot more. See you in the next video.